Hi, I'm Leo, and in this video we'll be going over indentation in Python. So just like your girlfriend doesn't like it when you drop your clothes all over the place, and she expects you to arrange them, fold them, and put them in different sections of the wardrobe. Same applies to programming languages. They like to arrange the codes in block. This helps you to identify which statement belongs to which code block. Now, most programming languages use the curly braces to group these codes. But in Python, it uses something else, which is a indentation. And this is more or less that space you leave at the beginning of the code line. It could be just one, it could be two or three, but the highest you can go is 4. You have cleaner code, more readable code, and it also helps you in identifying logical errors, if statement or line 1. So what it's trying to say is that after this if statement, you have to put a little space here. You can use your tab key. So now when I run this, it's going to work just fine. So this way, it knows that this code belongs to this if-else statement, or if statement rather. Now notice what happens when I duplicate this line. So let's say I copy this and I paste it here. Now, if I put another indent here, it's going to also give out an error because these two codes, they are together and they are under this if statement. So the indentation must be the same. It must be equal. But notice what happens when I bring it back and they are on the same line. Now, when I run this code, you'd see it's going to work. So it's like that. So that is how Python groups codes. It uses indentation. So it could be 2. You could go again and it will work as long as the 2 statements are on the same indentation or same level of indentation. So that's basically what indentation is in Python. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.